Gabi ng Misteryo.
Yung mga extraterrestrial beings ay nag-observe lang sa atin dito, and they are among us. They are already here on this planet, and they are sending messages to all human beings. At isa ako sa kanilang mga channel sa planet na ito.
So what are you doing to help us? We are sending energies from our planet. You know, Venus is extracting and sending energies to you all on Earth. We see some problems among nations, especially nuclear weapons. Why is Earth very important to extraterrestrial beings, to advanced beings, and to this galactic federation? Why? You know, Earth is so important to us because whatever Earth will happen to Earth in the future, it will also affect us in our dimension.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
You can offer prayers. Wala namang mawawala nila. Flowers. They also burn incense. Diplomat Hotel. La North Cemetery.
Certainly opened a portal to another dimension.
Mga kamisteryo, ano ba ang channeling o mediumship? Ito ba ay kayang gawin ng sinumang tao? Ano pa nating dapat na gawin para ito'y magawa natin? At ano-ano mga nilalang ang dapat nating kausapin sa pamagitan ng channeling o mediumship?
Hi everyone, this is Lashara of AscensionVortex.com and Ascension Vortex PH. Nakarinig na ba kayo ng ganito? Muwai ka istai kalay mataka untara ikay katay stiraya mau tulay kairayana. Yung mga ganito. Another form of channeling that I do is this. Ang tawag sa lahat ng ganyan ay channeling. Channeling is a form of communication from other dimensions and other beings that comes through our vessel when we are fully aligned. But do you know channeling has a lot of risks? A lot of people are not aware that they are not channeling accurately, and this happens if your Kundalini energy is not really above the heart.
Araw po sa lahat ng mga kamisteryo ni Ray Sibayan. Dr. Joby Lazano po itong muli. Mamaya pong gabi, alas 10 sa Gabi ng Misteryo, DZRH. Meron po tayong magandang episode tungkol sa mediumship, channeling, its benefits and dangers. At meron po tayong practice ng channeling. See you po!
Yan po ating pag-uusapan sa Gabi ng Misteryo, 10 to 11 p.m. sa DZRH. Wala ho nga absent. See you! Anong pagkakaiba daw ho yung mediumship sa sinasapian?
Talagayang kababalaghan, pananaliksik sa kapangyarihan ng isipan, pagpapakita ng mga nilalang, inyong matutunghayan sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Kasama si Ray Sibayan tuwing Sabado, alas 10 ng gabi sa DZRH Radio, DZRH TV at DZRH Online. Gabi ng Misteryo.